this video, I will show you how to create a private server on a game on Roblox. So let's go ahead and go to a game. So let's say we have this game in here, and let's say we want to create a private server for this game. Then we're going to click on the game itself. And then once we scroll down, we can see this option in here saying private servers. And please note that there is a price for creation of private servers, and that is depending on the game. And this game has a free price, so I can just click on create private server in here. But sometimes you need to pay for that in Robux. So I can just go ahead and create it, and then let's call it test, and I click on buy now, and this is actually free. So as you can see, I've successfully bought the Giga Mansion Tycoon private server. So now I can customize it, but I can also click on not now. So as you can see, I have created the maximum amount of free private servers for this game. So once I refresh the app from here, and then when I click on servers in here, then I will see the private server that I just created. And that is basically how this works. So now you can start adding people in here. So now you can use your private server. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.